Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I will present the introduction for our group. People can buy and sell physical goods and digital products at an e-commerce website. Through an e-commerce website, a business can process orders, accept payments, manage shipping and logistics, and provide customer service. It is estimated around 2.14 billion people worldwide buy goods and services online. Some companies sell products online only, while other sellers use e-commerce as a part of a broader strategy that includes physical stores and other distribution channels. Alibaba was founded on April 4 in Hangzhou, China in the year of 1999 by a former English teacher named Jack Ma, who scraped together 80,000 from 80 investors to start an online marketplace for China companies. E-commerce started over 40 years ago when the introduction of early technology like electronic data interchange, its short form is EDI, and teleshopping in 1970s paved the way for the modern day e-commerce store as we know it today. The history of e-commerce is closely intertwined with the history of the internet. Online shopping became possible when the internet was opened to the public in 1991. Amazon was one of the first e-commerce sites in the US to start selling products online, and thousands of businesses have followed since. The convenience, safety, and enjoyable user experience of e-commerce have improved exponentially since the inception of online shopping. Then about the literature review. The traditional shopping idea is so tiresome as you have to travel between the places. More selective your choice, the more troublesome the shopping experience will be. And it's not only about shopping in the normal days, but the festive seasons can also bring more challenges to you. Traveling, selecting, and buying, and even returns in case it doesn't fit rightly. When you are shopping online, you can check numerous brands, compare the products, prices, and check all the available discount options. You can place an order for your favorite product without going anywhere. With a single click, you can check out and get the products delivered at your place. This all saves a lot of time that you put in shopping via physical stores. The reason why our group choose Alibaba over Lazada and Shopee is because Alibaba is a global e-commerce platform which can be accessed by many countries compared to Lazada and Shopee, which are only available in certain Southeast Asia countries. Next, Alibaba has more experience in e-commerce platforms. Alibaba was founded on 4th of April 1999 in Hangzhou, China, while Shopee was founded on 5 February 2015 and Lazada on March 12, 2012. Alibaba provides integrated logic solutions, streamlining the shipping process and offering efficient delivery options for businesses of all sizes. Alibaba has two retail sites, Taobao, which features thousands of non-brand name products sold by smaller unknown merchants, and Tmall for brand name products. The variety of products offered on each site, especially Taobao, is astonishing. Alibaba.com facilitates business-to-business transactions, allowing suppliers and manufacturers to showcase their products to a global audience. Amazon does not provide sourcing and manufacturing, but connects buyers with the final product. Alibaba's core strength lies in its ability to connect businesses with manufacturers and suppliers. If you are an Amazon seller looking to source products, Alibaba can be a valuable resource to find reliable suppliers and manufacturers.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Faris AZWAR bin Muhammad. My matric number 079211. Today I want to talk about functional requirement. First, user registration. User registration means the association between user and a website with creating a new user account. That is a record in the database describing how you will prove your identity to authenticate you, means providing evidence that your identity match the one described in your user account. User registration involves providing an email address and choosing a password. The email address must match an active email account on which you have control like Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. You will receive an email allowing you to confirm the registration by verifying your email address. Product rating and review. Product rating and review are basically evaluations and judgments given by customers to know how other customers perceive a product. Ratings and reviews are given based on the consumer's experience and level of satisfaction with the specific service that they have availed and give trust to other customers after reading a review about an item. It can also serve as a feedback mechanism that retailers can use to improve the quality of a product and therefore increase sales. The rating and reviews solution is built on top of Alibaba, which provides high scalability and reliability. Next, language switching. Language switching in software refers to the ability of a program or application to support multiple languages, allowing users to switch between different languages for the user interface and other textual content. This feature is particularly important for software that is used by people around the world, as it enables a more inclusive and user-friendly experience for individuals who speak different languages. It enhances user experience and contributes to the overall usability and success of the software in the international market.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Danish bin Muhammad Azam, and matrix number is 07953, and I will explain about the functional requirement. Functional requirement for customer service in Alibaba. The main function of this module is to assist the user when they are facing any issue or having any inquiries. In this module, the users should have access to customer service such as live chat, email, and help center. And the next is product navigation for Alibaba. This functional requirement enable the user to easily find their desired product by searching it with the name of the product in the search bar. The assistance of the filter and function search by category should also be included to help the user navigate to the catalog efficiently. And next is about the functional requirement for cart and checkout for Alibaba. This functional requirement allow the user to add the desired product to their digital shopping cart before proceeding with the payment. It also allow user to check and review the item in the cart before proceed to a secure checkout process.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad bin DAUD. Today I will present about the performance of Alibaba. Performance of Alibaba in non-functional the website e-commerce Alibaba performance. We got the page load time takes the result 10.2 seconds after we use Chrome extension page load time to calculate must load product page. However, the important thing here, performance will change if the user has a good internet connection, location, device, and another factor. About reliability for Alibaba reliability on recovery data store using technique hybrid backup recovery HBR is provided with full protection by Alibaba Cloud. The advantage is provided with secure using AES 256 encryption for ensuring data secure to transmission and storage. The cost is effective compared to traditional on-premise.
Non-functional requirement, scalability. Scalability is one of the main issues of managing server-based systems like back-end of mobile app or website. Alibaba Group came out with the smart scalability technology, auto-scaling. Alibaba's.com scalability is improved by the usage of cloud infrastructure, which enables it to dynamically modify resources in response to demand. Next, compatibility. Alibaba.com is a global wholesale trade platform designed to be highly compatible and accessible for users around the world. Alibaba.com can be accessed worldwide because it supports a variety of languages and currencies. The website is also designed to be compatible with many different browsers such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and others. For those who are mobile users, Alibaba.com has built a mobile application making it accessible on smartphones and tablets.
Next is system model diagram for Alibaba. The system model diagram shows the overall flow of Alibaba online buying submodule. This diagram consists of activity and link that can be sequential, concurrent, or branch flow. A large number of activity diagrams are keyed to depict the whole flow of a system. The flow of controls in a system is visualized using the system module diagram to get a sense of how the system will work in when it executes. We can see at the first we enter the Alibaba, and then it will ask you about do you have the Alibaba account, and you will and if you have the Alibaba account, you must log in, and if you do not have Alibaba account, you must sign up. And then it's home page, and after that you select the item, and then you proceed checkout, or you continue shopping, or you view cart. If you view cart, you can enter the shipping address and select payment method, and if you want to proceed the payment, you can change the information entity or just place the order. And after that, the client will receive the invoice, and the shipping company will receive the order, and the shipping company will packaging the parcel, and the parcel will deliver to the client, and the last is order received by the client.
Assalamualaikum, my name is FADLAN ARIF bin MAZLAN, and now I'm gonna talk about submodels interface screenshot. This will include a screenshot with explanation. So based on the picture shown below, it shows the display on the Alibaba website in the registration section. First, user must register their personal information on this section before starting to buying or selling process. In this section, the user only needs to enter some information. The information requested is not too complicated, so it can save users time when using this website. Then, user can see the text box of search or search engine module of Alibaba. These sub-modules make it easier for users to find items to buy through this search engine. It displays suggestions after a few letters have been entered. In addition, these sub-modules can also filter user search either in terms of price, customer ratings and more. After that, you can see the picture shown above. It shows the specification of the item that has been selected by the user. User can choose size, price and remaining stock in more detail. User also can add or delete selected items to the basket if they change their minds. These submodules help the user see the total price before making a payment or a checkout. In addition, user can also complain about problems on the submodule of the help center. User can ask questions according to the types of the problems in more detail. The user only needs to communicate with the bot, and if the problem is too complicated, the user can continue to complain to the service worker online.
Now I will continue the presentation. I will talk about a discussion. First, I will compare Alibaba to Shopee. In terms of user experience, Shopee focus on the mobile first approach, which is user-friendly interface, incorporating social element. This is like a app game, live streaming, and enhanced shopping experience. While Alibaba platform offer diverse service, such as catering, both individual consumer and larger business, but with more traditional interface. Both platforms have the payment system. For Alibaba, Alibaba use Alipay, which is popular and widely used digital payment. While Shopee has a Shopee Pay, which providing user with a convenient way pay for purchase within the app. Besides that, Alibaba has expanded beyond e-commerce into areas such as cloud computing, AI, entertainment, finance. In summary, although both significant competitor in platform, Shopee has a great success and has a more focus on regional focus and unique mobile approach, while Alibaba is a larger and more devices organization. Now I will compare Alibaba to Amazon. Both Alibaba and Amazon are a good e-commerce platform that have been around us. However, Alibaba platform have a difference between them. Alibaba primary advantage is capacity link company with supplier and manufacturer. Amazon do not provide sourcing and manufacturing but connect buyer with the final product. I will compare Alibaba to the Lazada. Alibaba and Lazada are quite similar platform, but Alibaba is more comprehensive online marketplace. By connecting business worldwide, it facilitates large transition between supplier and buyer, serving a massive volume business need including cloud computing, digital payment, and global dominance. Alibaba focus on business-to-business transaction, technology, innovation, and finance service, give it broader and more multifaceted advantage compared to Lazada, because Lazada primarily business to consumer and it only focus operation in Southeast Asia. That's all. Now I will go to the conclusion of our presentation. In a conclusion, Alibaba is the one of largest e-commerce company. Emphasize a robust software engineering method beyond e-commerce is to make easy to do business anywhere. Alibaba gives supplier the tools necessary to reach the global audience for their product and helping buyer find product supplier quickly and efficiently. Alibaba technology likely involve continuous exploration and adoption of a new tool and a framework to stay at the forefront of a technological advancement. Alibaba functional requirement design are fundamental aspect across its all service to maintain competitiveness and provide value to its user and partner. In conclusion, we have compared Alibaba with other platforms and we realized that Alibaba provides system of service that meet a variety of needs for business and consumer.